Hi, today we are doing code first DB migration with .NET Core and SQL. So here we can see that we have a sample application, one API project and one entity project. In the entity project we have the DB context and a class or model, a table, which we will be migrating to the database. In database you can see once again that we have an empty database. Here you can see that the database doesn't have any tables currently, and you can see that we are using that same database in our connection string. Now the next step is we will add some NuGet packages in our solution. So we will add two NuGet packages in our solution. So let's add them. One is Microsoft.entity framework, core.sql server, so we will add them. Yes. Next is dot tools. Yes. So we can see that we have added those packages. Now the next thing is the DB context. So I have already prepared one model or class, this user master, which has minimal columns. The next thing is DB context. I have already prepared that. So here I have added the user master table, and this is my DB context. Nothing else, only this constructor and the DB set. Next we will go to our program.cs file. Here you can see our program.cs file. Here we will add one using soft.entity framework core. That's it. Next we will add our DB connection string to our project. So to do that, I will add a string variable for connection string. So it's builder dot configuration dot get connection string. Here I will copy from app setting. Don't want to write it, want to copy it for sake. Then builder dot services dot add DB context take the context name. Let's copy that also. We'll need the namespace. We'll add the reference. Then options dot use SQL server. Where did it go? Here I will pass the connection string. So before we proceed further, please like this video, comment and share this video if you find this interesting and helpful, and also subscribe my channel. Next, we will run the migration comments to migrate the DB. So now we will migrate our code to DB tables. The tables we are expecting is this one, user master. So to run those comments, we will go to tools, we will go to NuGet package manager and package manager console. So here you can see the default project is pointing to my API project, but my DB context is in my entity project. So I have to point my default project to my entity project, or the project where my DB context is residing. Now I will write one command which is add migration, then I will name it, the migration file I will name. So now I am doing for initialization, or initially I am migrating for this project. So I'll give a name like initial migration. And press enter. So build has started, build succeeded, and it's seen that it has been already succeeded the command, and we have the migration file. So in solution you will see in entity project you have the migration folder already created automatically, and you will have the migration file. So it has this table name and all the columns in it and necessary configurations if you wish to keep, but still the tables are not there in the database, so we need to create those tables. So the next command is update database. And we will enter, build started, build succeeded, and it's done. So now we will go in our DB and see that if this table user master has been created in our database or not. So here we are, we can see in this database Noob Code First that user master has been created with the same columns, and it has also created one migration history table which has the migration file details. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and share the video also if you like it, if you think it's helpful, and please subscribe.